Hello guys, welcome to another fantastic video. Today we'll compare the ROG Ally X against the original ROG Ally. If you're wondering whether you should upgrade, what the benefits are, or just want to know the differences, you've come to the correct place. We will cover everything in this video. Here we have the ROG Ally X, a stylish black console, and the initial ROG Ally, which is white. Both variants come with the Z1 Extreme processor, and we'll go into the specifications and specifics soon. First, let's discuss their design. The main difference is color. The Ally X is black, whereas the original Ally is white. Searching at the displays, both have 7-inch Full HD screens with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. While some may yearn for OLED displays, I believe the current configuration is adequate. OLED could have provided longer battery life in some cases, but it could also have resulted in faster battery drain. ASUS likely saved OLED for future versions. When we put them side by side, you'll note how similar they are in size and layout. However, the Ally X seems a little heavier than the original Ally. Another slight change is the arrangement of the buttons. The normal ROG Ally has thumbsticks, a D-pad, and XYBA buttons. The distance between the XYBA buttons and the D-pad is apparent and requires a bit of stretching. ASUS discussed this with the Ally X, making it easier to go from the thumbstick to the D-pad. The D-pad on the Ally X features improved grooves, making it easier to execute moves in games like Street Fighter. The thumbsticks have also been improved for greater resistance and adjustability within the program. Coming to the top of the game consoles, the SD card port is arranged differently. The original ROG Ally has an audio jack, an SD card slot, an XU mobile port, a USB port, a power rocker, a power button, and a fingerprint sensor on the right. However, the Ally X has two USB Type-C ports, a volume rocker, a vent, an SD card slot, a headphone connector, and a fingerprint sensor on the power button. The extra USB Type-C ports offer more connecting possibilities, albeit their placement at the top may be difficult for larger cables. The shoulder buttons and triggers on both versions feel similar but provide distinct pressing feedback. The Ally X's triggers have a deeper click. On the back, the grip design and M1 and M2 buttons differ. The original Ally has larger M1 and M2 buttons, which can be accidentally pressed during gameplay. The Ally X reduces the size of these buttons and changes the grip to avoid accidental presses while maintaining easy access. In terms of software, there are significant changes with Armoury Crate from the original ROG Ally to the Ally X. The new software version, Armoury Crate 1.5, offers a more refined experience. The game library allows you to view and sort installed games by name, recent additions, or platform. You can also customize the library's appearance, including cover art size and layout. The settings menu in the Ally X provides more options for performance, lighting, and connections. The campaign tab now has its section for game deals and platform content. A new macro setup feature allows you to set up macros for screenshots or specific game actions. Global services let you upload settings and features to your account. Now let's talk about the internals. The original Ally has a 40-watt battery, while the Ally X boasts a larger 80-watt battery, doubling the capacity for longer gameplay sessions. The SSD in the original Ally is a smaller size M2, while the Ally X supports a full-size M2, offering more storage options. The fans in the Ally X are smaller but designed differently for improved cooling. The original Ally has 16 GB of RAM, while the Ally X has 24 GB, providing more memory for better performance in games. Both models use the Z1 Extreme processor, however the Ally X has more RAM, which allows for better gameplay and multitasking. We'll have a separate video dedicated to gaming performance and the comparison with devices such as the Steam Deck OLED. In conclusion, the ROG Ally X, albeit somewhat heavier, provides considerable improvements in grip, button layout, and life of the battery. The increased RAM and choices for storage make it an attractive upgrade. The Ally X is an excellent choice for both travel and home gaming. Additionally, the Ally X fits well in standard cases available for the original Ally. I tested it with the official ROG Ally case and a Tomtoc hard shell case, and it fits perfectly in both. In the end, the ROG Ally X represents an outstanding 1.5 upgrade. While some may miss the OLED show, the 24 GB of RAM and additional storage options compensate for it. If you have queries or comments, please share them below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news. Happier gaming!